And if I tweak it a little to match the situation, then I would like to say, no failure is too big, no dream is too small. This little failure cannot stop you from getting your driver's license because you are greater than any failure. Any examiner's judgment about your driving cannot make you a bad driver. You are a good driver and you will remain a good driver. I want you to see this failure as an opportunity to become an even better driver. Hey, imagine this situation. What if you had passed today and gotten your license, and a week later you made some of the mistakes that you made on the test today? Because of those mistakes, you would have either gotten an expensive ticket that would have raised your insurance cost, or you could have gotten into a crash. Now, aren't those situations worse than today's failure? Aren't you grateful that these mistakes took place in the presence of an experienced driver sitting beside you who could save you from all those troubles? Sometimes, when we fail, we just need to change our perspective and look at things from a different angle. Only then can we understand failure better and appreciate it instead of quitting from the situation. You may have quit in the past, but going forward, I want you to promise me that you're never, ever, and I mean never, ever going to quit in your life. Now with that, I'd like you to listen to this beautiful poem and go book your road test after you're done listening to it. I wish you all the best and request you to leave me a comment when you pass the road test. Thank you for listening.
When the things go wrong, as they sometimes will, when the road you're trudging seems all uphill, when the funds are low and the debts are high, and you want to smile, but you have to sigh. When care is pressing you down a bit, rest if you must, but don't you quit. Life is queer with its twists and turns, as every one of us sometimes learns. And many a fellow turns about when he might have won had he stuck it out. Don't give up, though the pace seems slow. You may succeed with another blow. Often the goal is nearer than it seems to a faint and faltering man. Often the struggler has given up when he might have captured the victor's cup. And he learned too late when the night came down how close he was to the golden crown. Success is failure turned inside out, the silver tint in the clouds of doubt. And you never can tell how close you are. It might be near when it seems afar. So stick to the fight when you're hardest hit. It's when things seem worst that you must not quit.